You check this out. They got the level 1 nitrile dip gloves are back here. They're $4.97 per pair. I like these. These are A1 here. So I'm going to grab a couple here. Here, and check these out here too. So this is the first time our store has gotten these in stock. These are pretty nice here. These are this is the Milwaukee tubing cutter here. And what I like about this kit, you see it comes with that reaming pen. They've never had this here at our local Home Depot here, so I'm going to grab this kit here. This is nice. This is a pipe cutter here, and it also comes with a bonus reaming pen. So a lot of people don't think to get a reaming pen or any other reamer tool. They just buy the tube cutter, and they don't realize you're supposed to ream that cut after you cut it here. So this reaming pen is used right after you cut the pipe. There's usually a sharp edge along the inside of the cut, and you scrape that out with your reaming pen here. So that's pretty cool. So anyway, this is $24.88 here, special buy. So we're going to be doing a tool review on this one here pretty soon. We're going to compare this one against the Ridgid cutter. And then next up is these here. So I really like these torpedo levels. I have a couple of these already. I'm going to buy another one of these here. So these are from Empire. What I've always liked about Empire's levels, if you compare them to some of the other people's levels out there, see how it's nice and clear liquid? It's not like yellow. It's like the nice and blue, very light blue color here. And I believe these guys even for some reason have a patent on this, and you can see it from the top too also. So this is easier to see in a dark vanity than the yellow. I don't like those dark yellow liquids that all the other companies use, but let me tell you something, at $9.88 for two of these, you can't beat that, man. And these are magnetic too, so you see how you get the magnetic on the side? These will clip on a refrigerator, metal studs, anything that's metal. Love these. They do this every year too, by the way. So here we are here with the Ridgid Universal Miter Saw stand here, and this one here is really marked down tremendously, from $239 down to $120 there. And there's your kit number. See how it looks online as well. Okay, now they don't have the price on this, but I scanned it and it comes in at $99. So this is the 2 1/8 inch brad nailer. It's 18 gauge right there. This is the clean drive. So yeah, this one is $99. It probably won't be on sale yet, but you know what I always tell you guys to use is the 10% off coupons from Lowe's. Use the Lowe's 10% off coupon like I've showed you, and Home Depot will honor it as a competitor coupon there, and so you could use it to get another 10% off. So let me show you the deal I got a couple of years ago when I bought my nailer. This is the kit I bought. Mine's a 30-degree framing nailer kit here, also with a 4 amp hour battery and a charger and a bag. So mine came with all of that stuff anyway at $3.99. This is considered an upgraded model anyways, but so they gave me more for $3.99. And on top of that, at the time that I bought this, I also used my Lowe's coupon here that I just told you about. And the little blue 10% off Lowe's movers card here is what they call it. Because often when you buy a new house or you move somewhere and Lowe's finds out that you moved, they send you one of these in the mail. And so they call it the movers card. And so this is the only one that Home Depot will accept. Now let me show you this deal here. This one is a stellar deal. I hope they have this in your store, because here you're getting the Ridgid. This is the 4-gallon vacuum here for $49, normally $69. I think I paid $79 for mine when I bought mine like 3 or 4 years ago. This is a steal. Ladders here. These are great for electrical because they're fiberglass here. Now these, they don't have a price on them, but I scanned them and they're $99, so I'm hoping they come down in price maybe for Father's Day or something. Maybe they got these in ready for that, but they're not going to sell them at $99, because one aisle over we have Werner's, the exact same ladders made by Werner with a different color for $69. This is actually, I think, discontinued because they got a clearance price here of $175. and it normally goes for $2.49 here. And on Amazon you can't even find it, and it doesn't even show up on their website. If you scan in the barcode on the Home Depot app, it doesn't show up. But here it is, the DWX 726, marked down to $175 from $2.49. This will spread out up to 8 feet of material support. See here, these two guys right here will spread out 8 feet if you're doing like baseboards and crown molding and stuff like that. Little sliding miter saw here. It's $3.99, so it's normally $4.99. They took $100 off. Check this out. They got the sand disc deal is back again. $19.97 here. There's 50 of these in here, and they also give you, you can see on the right there, the 7 free bonus sand net discs. Okay, now, while I have you here, I just wanted to point out something to you here. If you look over here on my number of subscribers, I'm getting close to 70K subscribers. So I'm still trying to figure out what do I want to give away to people for our 70K subscriber giveaway, which should be coming up later this week. But anyway, I will keep you all in tune. I'll let you know about that. Hey, I wanted to show you, these are some of the videos we've uploaded in the last couple of weeks. So if you haven't been into our channel to look at some of these, here's some you got to see. So this one here over here is the top 10 tips on how to find the really hard to find items right now related to COVID-19, specifically how to get those disinfecting wipes and the hand sanitizers and the alcohol. That's still pretty hard for most people to find. So if you haven't seen this video, you got to go check it out. It's really, really good. And then over here, about a week ago, we uploaded this video here on how to install a smart Wi-Fi sprinkler controller for your house here. And this was a really good video. You'll like this. It's a real eye-opener on how much better life can be for you now by installing one of these new smart controllers. And then over here you can see a few days ago we uploaded this one here. We did a tool review here on the DeWalt leaf blower, and this was a really good one because we ran this one through the ringer, folks. We did all sorts of drop testing, battery life testing on it, water intrusion. I mean, we did everything to it. And then of course last night we uploaded this one here, and this is a stern warning for all of you who go into Home Depot and buy these P-traps here. So if you know anybody that's going to be installing a P-trap, you'd better have them take a look at this video. Otherwise, they could be in for trouble. We're going to show you how to dodge a major bullet here, folks. And then here you got these 500 lumen USB rechargeable pivoting flashlights here from Milwaukee. So these guys here are $59.97, marked down from $79.97. Okay, now my phone ran out of memory to shoot more video, so I've just got a few photos here to show you some of the other deals and displays they were starting to set up. And we'll come back in later and get video once these are completed.